Hello. Phone connected.
Alright, so in order for the lovely viewers to hear you, we have to enter pairing mode. Hold for 5 seconds.
Intercom pairing.
Alright, let go.
Is that you?
That's me. We paired, dog.
Sick.
Yep.
What about this one?
And Raj, come here. Mira.
I guess I should put gloves on so your freaking subscribers leave me alone. God, they hate me so much for that.
You know them.
Tell them to put gloves on. Meanwhile, my people are like, yeah, ride naked.
Yeah, right.
So I'm gonna get shit for wearing.
No, you need to wear gloves.
Oh, gloves. Okay, I thought you were just talking about general.
No, my people are like, hell yeah, ride naked. But his people are like, put gloves on.
Yeah, my people all about that safety.
Yeah.
I've lost pieces of my fingers before in crashes, so I'm good wearing leather.
Yep.
I feel like
Probably a good idea.
Never mind. I don't even know what I'm talking about.
Alright, what up, Blockheads? So we're trying out this new audio recording stuff, and connected to me right now, even though they don't have cameras on, I guess, would this be a trio vlog instead of a duo vlog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I got...
A vlog.
Troll vlog?
Troll vlog.
Troll vlog?
Troll vlog of trolls?
Yeah.
We'll see how it stands up in the wind noise. Giselle, you got a full face, so that's going to be good.
Yeah.
Yours is okay, with the visor closed. So yeah, we got Raj, who rode with me here. We got Giselle over there, and we're headed to Ace Cafe.
Sure are.
Oh, I need to grab my jacket.
Hey,
So
don't forget your jacket, man.
my subscribers don't yell at me.
Don't forget your jacket, man.
Yeah.
Well, turns out gloves are not on my bike, so I'm gonna get yelled at again. But
You like that? Going through the comments and seeing all those people like, why isn't she doing this?
well, I do appreciate that they're concerned with what will happen to my hands in the event of an accident.
True that.
I do need people looking out for me because I am just young and reckless, I guess.
Oh, Giselle.
I think there's a clothing brand for that.
Oh, isn't it? Is it called? It's Young and Reckless, right?
Yes.
Do we have to pay them now that I mentioned it, or do they need to pay you?
No.
Probably. You might have to pay them. Pay him, and he'll quote unquote pay them.
That's right. Quote unquote.
Yeah, no.
Stop touching things.
Oh my God, the Harley's so loud. My bike's just quiet. All right, here's the big question,
What's up?
gentlemen. Who is leading?
Don't matter.
Giselle's leading.
Yeah, you can lead. That's fine.
All right, sweet. So we can do that sweet product placement of my sweatshirt.
Rude.
Hold on. What's up?
Sporty and this one? They're both yours?
Yeah. Well, the Sporty's my girl's.
Oh.
Yeah. Thanks, man. We try.
Alright, man. Be safe.
Yes, sir.
In a little while.
Good seeing you. Good seeing you, man.
You should have the best looking out of the lot.
Roger,
Yeah, thanks.
you are
I appreciate it.
just obnoxious.
Thank you.
Even like looking at you right now, I'm just overcome by your presence, and I must leave. Bye.
Very, very early 2000s.
Ooh, Limp Bizkit. I love that song.
No, we're not going to announce the terrible news.
No, I can't hear it.
So who's listening? Oh, look at him thinking he's leading. No, sir.
Oh, is he coming with us?
Yeah, obviously.
Nice.
All right, we're turning right.
Obviously.
Really?
Yep.
I couldn't tell.
Yeah, you don't have blinkers.
Well, I made a hand signal.
I saw it. I'm just messing with you. Plus, we're riding connected. Hashtag ride connected. Hashtag
Yeah.
Senna.
Hey, I need. Okay, Block. I'm gonna confess. I haven't watched your millennials video yet.
Ooh.
That's like next on my list of shit to watch. But did you talk about the Harley-Davidson internship thing
No.
in that video? Okay.
No, I was telling him about it though.
Can we
No,
talk
I actually didn't know about that until after I recorded that video. So.
Can we talk about it, because I'm very I'm torn, not interested, because I'm not a college student, so it doesn't apply to me. I'm going.
I mean, just apply for a college class, then you're a college student.
So let me tell you how I actually found out about it. One of them, like, there's an Instagram page that was just started for that internship, and it reached out to me. And Block, I bet you might have a message in your your creeper folder, you know, the side folder.
Creeper folder, yeah.
Yeah, you might have a message in there too, but they're reaching out to influencers asking for reposts and whatnot, which is how I found out about it. But it's basically like kids who are currently in college interested in pursuing digital marketing, specifically social media.
What?
They're teaching them how to ride a motorcycle. They're going to loan them motorcycles to ride, and they're going to like produce content all summer to like prove that Harley-Davidson is still applicable to millennials.
Younger
They're doing it
demographic.
through the use of moto vlogging. So they're going to teach
yeah.
you how to do a moto vlog and teach you all of the production. They're
Right.
going to, and actually, I think they're going to give you a motorcycle that you eventually get to keep.
I'm not going to say that because I'm not sure.
Okay.
I haven't researched that far into it. I know it's paid. They get college credit. I'm not sure if their idea of payment is to keep the motorcycle or not. I hadn't looked that far into
What
it.
motorcycle do they give you?
I think they're going to give them the new Sportsters. That's my guess.
Oh,
Just
nice.
To promote those two.
That'd be cool. As long as it's not like a Street 500 or some shit.
I'm sure
Go
they'll...
cross country on this 500cc motorcycle.
Well, you know for sure they're going to put at least one of those kids on a street.
Man, but that's
you
not
know?
even a Harley, man. That's a fake ass Harley made in India.
Oh, I know. It's like I don't even want to talk about it. I don't own that thing. Although that one we saw in Leesburg was pretty cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm torn about it because I love the idea of bringing in fresh people into the culture who may not have considered riding before, but I'm not okay with the idea of downplaying the risk of it all. You know, I think it's very dangerous to glamorize it to the point that people forget that it's actually something you need to take very seriously. It is a lot of fun, but you have to consider all of the weight that comes with it, not just like risk on your body and the physical risk, but also like financial risk, you know,
Right.
buying a new motorcycle. And
Yeah, it's very unrealistic as to what normal people would, or like how normal people would acquire a Harley.
exactly.
Which is cool, but you know what they're doing? It's a really smart marketing plan for Harley-Davidson, is what it is.
It's brilliant, but I also am unsure of how much they're going to alienate the millennials who did it the other way, like who self-discovered or found it through legacy or through a partner or whatever.
Oh yeah, like who went out and bought one used, fixed it up, wrenched on it themselves in their
Right.
garage, you know, it's like,
Right.
it's, I don't know, I think you're appealing to the entitlement generation there.
Right,
And it's just
which-
kind of like,
For me, technically, I'm on the top end of it. Like, age-wise, I'm a millennial.
yeah, me too. How old are you?
I'm 29. And Raj, how old are you?
26.
26. Yeah.
How old are you?
26.
Oh, I thought you said 36.
Yeah,
I was
you're like smack
I
dab in the
look
middle
good
of
for
millennial.
my age.
Yeah, no, 26. So this is you. This is your generation. They're trying
Yeah,
to.
I
So like,
know.
how do you feel about it? You bought a Harley like the normal way, I guess.
Yeah, quite normally.
By working for it.
I traded up through bikes, and then I had a bike that was about to eat shit, so I brought it in, and I was like, Dana, who I had known for a couple years on and off, I was like, Dana, please help. And she was like, no, I completely got you. I don't want you riding this death trap home. And I was like, okay, well, I get paid next week. She's like, you're walking out of here with a bike today. I was like, joke.
Nice. That's
So-
her, man.
Yeah, Dana's awesome. And that's the thing is, like, for me, I find that having a bike and having paid for it and having to pay for it, you know, monthly, because nobody in their right mind buys a Harley outright.
Yeah.
Unless you're rich as
Yeah, but I mean, those are usually the ones that end up getting totaled.
Well, I bought this one outright, but it was a turd bucket.
I was
Yeah,
about to say,
what I mean is
you got
like
Pedro. Pedro is like a Harley tech, so.
Yeah, we worked together and boom, transformed.
Move transform into something good.
Yeah.
As far as how I feel about the millennials and the way that I feel like the fact that they are renting out and or giving out a motorcycle just to come work there, I feel like it's pandering.
Dude, it's not even working there though. You're an intern, and they
Right.
basically want you to create for them for the cost of a free motorcycle. And I bet you, I mean, I really hate to say this too, but I bet you anything that as soon as you're done with like your channel or whatever, like making motovlogs, I bet you they still own it.
The motorcycle?
And the
Well, no, not the motorcycle, but the channel.
the content.
Oh,
Like, so-
absolutely.
Yeah, I would
content.
bet there's some kind of stipulation where they've basically got their fingers in it. It's not going to be, you're not going to be able to like speak your mind, because there's probably going to be clauses that say like, look, we're going to give you a free motorcycle, but
Morality
you
clause.
can't talk negatively about this bike.
They're not trying to grow independent influencers, and they're very clear about that. They're trying to grow people to represent the brand.
See,
So
that
they-
sucks. That
those-
sucks.
Ideally, they're grooming their next social media people. You know, like they have a crew of people that run their social. I think they're trying to grow new people to run their social. And and to promote Harley on their personal socials too.
Yeah, not to bash, but their social media crew right now, not that good.
Yeah, I mean, I know those dudes personally, and I love them. I think it's just...
Dude, I tried to reach out to them to, like, offer some insight and ideas and stuff, and just...
Oh, I can help you with that.
Nothing.
Like, get into... I don't think they check the creep folder, because their creep folder must have a million messages.
No, this is, like, direct emails. Like, they contacted me. They wanted to send me to, like, somewhere to ride the new Sport Glide, and I had already ridden it and had a demo video, like, ready to go. And so they were like, oh, yeah, like, well... Okay, you've already got one done. We'll send you on the next one or something. But dude, they're too slow, man. Their timing is really bad.
Very slow.
Like the social media, dude. Like especially with new bikes, it's all about timing. Otherwise, the market gets oversaturated. You know, it's like if you're the first, then you're gonna get all the traffic because you're the only one out there. But you know, with them waiting as long as they do, especially like with the new Sportsters they released. You know, it's like they released that news. Like what, a month before they actually released the bikes?
Yeah.
Like, and I maybe kind of get it because they were doing the hype with the builds and then the Mama Tried show and then the flat track racing, the Flat Out Friday. But I don't know, man.
They barely made it to Flat Out Friday.
Right?
Yeah, like didn't they show up like 5 minutes before the race?
I don't know.
Well, it's because they were building them that weekend. It was like a build off. So they had to finish the build in the same day and get it all the way to downtown Milwaukee, which for some of the dealers is not close.
I don't know.
So yeah, they did cut it close there, but I don't think that had to do with the motor company. That had to do with the dealerships and the build. But
I don't know. My thought is, I've got some really good ass ideas, and I know I'm pretty in touch with like what people want because I've been running this page for a while. You know, like this brand Blockhead, and so. Like if we were to get in touch and we were to work together, like I would love the opportunity, but it's like there's definitely things that should be done that people want that they're not doing.
I'm gonna get over here.
Is this your not so sneaky way of asking?
Dude, what the
What the
What just happened? Wow.
bro.
I nearly just screamed. Are you okay, man?
Yeah, I'm good.
Wait, who almost died there? What?
Me. That would be Raj.
Raj had to hit brake super hard and you got around him, but Jesus Christ.
What the
People are just totally unaware. What is happening here?
There's a giant stage with an American flag.
We'll just go to Gara or Huey and over and back or whatever. It's fine.
I need to unclench the seat out of my ass. Give me a moment.
Yeah.
Don't sell that seat, bro.
Yeah. Or sell that seat.
Ew.
Got a piece of history.
Ew.
Ew. Anyway, what the were we saying before that person?
Millennials buying motorcycles, not the sneaky way of getting an internship.
Harley, I don't want an internship. Dude, I've got a badass job. I've got a really good job.
Well, and you're already doing what their end game would be.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't need all that. I mean,
And that's all thanks to you subscribers, so thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate it. Hey, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that.
you talk like those dudes in the pill commercial.
Plug. No, I was trying to.
Where they announce that those pills are gonna
Kill you.
give you elephant-sized balls.
Yeah.
And
This
that's
pill,
not all.
it's like this pill may give you really big balls, or
side effects may include elephantitis of the scrotum.
yeah.
like the ones that are like depression medications that may induce suicidal thoughts.
Oh yeah, I love that.
I feel like, or the heart medications that may give you instant death.
No, I'll do you one better. It's like medication for like acne that may give you suicidal thoughts. I'm like,
Yeah, dude, I've totally seen that
How
one.
bad do you
It's
need
like,
to get rid of this
do I
acne?
want nice glowing skin or do I want to kill myself?
Exactly. That's a toss-up. Whatever. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm not going to dog on. I know that those people know what they're doing over there. I love the motor company as much as anyone who's devoted to the brand. I'm questioning it because, you know, that whenever they do something that seems counterintuitive, you know, everyone's going to want to question it. And you know what, though? That might be part of the plan because now we're talking about it.
That's true.
Yeah, exactly.
That's true.
You know, like, it's like...
I'm going to be interested to see what happens with it. I mean, obviously, because it's, you know, what I'm doing.
Right.
So I'm going to be really interested to see where it goes and...
yeah, what comes from it. I mean,
yeah, but the only thing that sucks, man, is the fact that I feel like they're not able to... They're not going to be able to speak their mind, you know?
They're not, well, they're not. I mean, they're not, but
I just like to pause for one moment.
you're a jerk. Is it my turn?
Yes.
It smells just glorious.
Mine was a baby one. Who has a race gas? Does somebody have race gas?
No, it's probably me.
No.
Probably the smell of burning oil.
Yeah.
Sorry, my
Yeah, it'll be interesting though to see what happens and what comes of it.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, I'm always about breeding new riders, especially girls, and I know for a fact they're recruiting a few females in there. So I'm really stoked on that. I really hope that I get to cross paths with them. I'm gonna do a couple things, events over the summer, and hopefully get a chance to meet some of them in face to face. I mean, the posts that they've done so far on the one Instagram account that sent me a message, they seem really, you know, genuine. They don't seem as contrived as, you know, some of the brand-based posts that I've seen. You know, It's clear that they're not totally comfortable yet, but you know what? That's kind of endearing in a way.
Yeah.
We're turning here, right? Left.
Is it Livingston?
Yeah, Livingston is the street that it's
Damn
on.
it. That's right. This is left.
This is left.
I know signals.
You know the way you're going.
You're dyslexic. You're direction dyslexic.
I'm making smoke signals.
I know, right? Well, we're gonna get you those like sticks for the landing sticks.
Yes, Liz.
Oh yeah, like the air traffic control or the.
Yeah, those.
We were talking about the fact that a megaphone on a bike is illegal.
Not a
but
megaphone,
technically, you
like a
can
PA
have
system.
A handheld microphone and megaphone, and just strap it to your bike with duct tape, and then just yell into it.
Yep.
So you can call people turds everywhere.
Yeah.
You turd!
You turd. I call people turds. I call their bikes turds.
Yeah, you are Pedro's wife.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah, for real. I mean, turd is like such a non-offensive offense.
Yes.
Turd.
You know, like I call my students turds, and they're like, "Oh, you like us?"
Miss Block just called me a turd in a video I edited. I was making fun of her, and she's like, "You turd."
It's just cute. It's a cute insult.
Yeah.
But in reality, you're calling them a piece of shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just nice,
It's like
nicely.
there's two sides to it. I'm trying to be endearing, but also you're a piece of shit.
Oh, they have the dyno here today. I can't wait to stop my sentence mid-sentence all the time. That's cool. One day I'll dyno my bike and they'll be like, "What is wrong with this thing? It's got 2 horsepower."
Huh.
It's got 2 horsepower. Dude,
All right.
They don't even fix your thing here, do they?
Well, no, they just
Or
kind of.
even tuning?
I think it's to promote their tuning services.
Yeah, they just get your horsepower numbers and stuff, your readout.
So pretty much they tell you they tell you that there's something wrong with your bike, and you need to come see them to not only figure out what is wrong, but how to fix it.
You know what? They don't tell you that there's something wrong. They're like, "Oh, your bike could be better, but if you're okay with it, suck in."
Yeah.
Oh wow. So it's like a guilt thing?
Kind of. All right,
what it
I don't know what this car's doing, but I'm going behind this thing.
The Z125.
Yeah, is it a Grom?
No, that looks like the other one.
Yeah, it's
Yamahizzle?
The
Kawasaki.
Kawasaki.
Kawasaki. All right, well, if it worked, thanks for blogging with me.
All we did was complain.
You know, see, it's so much easier. It's so much easier like this though if it actually works, so they can hear you guys, and that way I don't have to, you know, like hook up cameras, and we can have more people than just one in the vlog, and I don't have to edit shitloads of footage.
Definitely.
Perk-yer. All right, well, if you guys have any thoughts or comments on the subjects we talked about, drop them down in the comment section below. If you guys want to follow Giselle, here is her hashtag. Oh, bam, you got it on your sleeve? Girl, you prepared. That's crazy. Raj is right here. Magic Raj hashtag. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the episode, be sure to hit the like button. If you aren't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button as well. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications and all that. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant. We'll catch y'all later.
Bye.
Deuces. What's up, man?